Hi Manifestors, happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's doing well. Today, I feel like what I want to do is talk about how to access intuitive guidance, how to access the messages from your soul, messages from spirit, from God, from your heart, any anything that you're not going to find by Googling it. You can find pretty much anything practical related to how to do things in this world by Googling it, YouTubing it, but like when it comes to like, well, what do I actually want? What is my life about? What am I here for? No one's gonna be able to tell you those things. So this is one of the methods that I use for accessing intuitive guidance. I'm gonna do this automatic drawing. Learned this one from Joan at Life Force Arts Ensemble, and I'm going to link their work, their website down here in the description when I finish this. So, yes. So I'm going to do like a live drawing. I'm going to ask a question. I don't know what the question's going to be. Let me think. Maybe it's going to be, what are the messages that need to come through today for the people watching this video to help them in their manifesting journey? So that is the question. What are the messages? Intuitive guidance, messages from my higher self, maybe messages from y'all's higher selves and spirit guides that might come through. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set a timer. I'm going to set it for 5 minutes, and then I am going to take my pen and just draw at random. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't even really see what I'm doing, but it is what it is. I'm also going to say this just for the record because one of my prayers was to be able to get more contact lenses, and Spirit was like, no, like, you don't need those. You're going to be able to see. I'm like, I haven't been able to see since I was 7 years old, so that's why I shoot a lot of my videos without the glasses on, even though I really still can't see at this point. But there are people on YouTube that have like gotten rid of their glasses by manifesting, and I'm like, so I'm on that journey, and I will let you know whenever that manifests. But anyway, for now, I'm going to set a 5-minute timer, and I'm going to draw at random. And at some point during those 5 minutes, and I hear that ice machine, I gotta shut that off. At some point during those 5 minutes, I'm gonna get some kind of internal revelation, and I don't know what it's gonna be. I don't even know if it might not show up in 5 minutes. We don't know, but we're gonna see what happens. And so here we go. 5-minute timer. Okay. So I'll be bored out of your minds watching me draw randomly on this sheet of paper, but I'm just going to do it and speak whatever's coming up as I'm doing it. So I'm just feeling in the flow right now. And feeling a little bit kind of nervous as well. Something is going to happen. I'm beginning to feel energy like approaching me as I'm doing this. And now I'm like, okay, like it's on. It's going faster. Something's definitely here. That is here for you guys. Okay, we're getting to something. The world is yours. The rules of the world are, holy shit, okay, I got it. The world belongs to you. The rules are yours to make up, and the sky is the limit. If you're watching this right now, whatever the fuck you wanted to do, whatever you were thinking about manifesting, like, go do it. It is your time. The world belongs to you. It is just your time right now. So that was really, really quick. we got a couple more minutes, so I'm going to do another one. And now I'm going to ask, for the people watching this video for whom the world is yours and it's time to just step out on that manifesting journey, how are you going to know? How are they going to know that they're on the right track? All right, let's go. Okay, we are moving with this. Like right now, I'm just moving the pen. I don't feel the messages from the universe yet. I'm just moving in faith. And when you're manifesting, it is often just about moving in faith. You might have to take some steps, like make some calls, talk to some people that you don't know, that you've never met. People who may or may not help you, people who may or may not give you something negative. But, okay, here it comes. I felt it as like something's opening in my heart chakra area. So how are they going to know they're on the right path? They will feel it. Y'all gonna feel it in your being, in your body. To know that you're on the right path, it feels like an opening. It's like your heart could be opening up. Your soul opens up. It feels like love. It feels like expansion. It feels like freedom. And if you just take a deep breath right now and feel into your body, is there one tiny little place that feels like freedom? And if it is, like, ask that place, what does that feeling of love and freedom need for its expansion? And this will be one that you should probably ask for yourself, but I'm going to ask it for myself right now. So what does this feeling of love and freedom that I'm feeling right now, and this may apply to some of you watching the video too, so definitely watch that. But what does that feeling of love mean? What does it need, rather? What does the feeling of love and freedom need for its full expansion onto this planet? So here we go. Feeling. Okay, we're blank. We're making a clean slate here. Totally blank. Holy. Okay, hold on. Something's happening. Something's in my head. I feel like something in my head. And what this is saying is to it's to look at what's in the mind. Really sort out. Look at your beliefs. Look at what you have in your mind. Look at your thoughts. Look at your words. There goes that timer. Turn it off. But look at your thoughts, look at your words, look at what you do every day, look at what you think about every moment, and what you have to sort them out. So I'm going to take another piece of paper. I'm probably not going to actually do this, but just draw the line down the middle. Things that support me on one side, things that don't support me on the other side, and make that list. The ones that support where you're going, those are what you want to keep and hold on to and intensify and bring more, let them make friends and bring their friends over. And the ones that are not benefiting you, you will want to let them go. Let them go, get rid of them. Say thank you for your service, but we're done now. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. Hope that the messages are of service to you. Try the automatic drawing. See how it works for you. If you can't get anything, if you do it for 5 minutes and can't get anything, do 10 minutes. Like almost everyone, I've never seen someone not able to get something in 10 minutes, but if you can't get it in 10 minutes, do 20 minutes. And it can, I'm so curious to see how it works for you guys. So let me know. I'm going to link to Life Force Arts Ensemble. This exercise is done in one of their classes in the shamanic training program, but I don't remember which one. It is also done in the Healing Arts Intensive that they do. So I'm going to link both of those, the beginner shamanic training and the Healing Arts Intensive at Life Force Arts Ensemble. They are great people, very kind-hearted, very inclusive. I've been working with them for about 13 years, I think, at this point. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and see you all.